Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a cool song from Jesse Wells, talented Mr. Wells here. He's great, and he continues to deliver songs. This is one I felt for Bobbie and Susie. What a great song. We have basically one verse play and one chorus play, and that's it. So let's start up this song. And before we move on with this tutorial, I want to highlight I have a new YouTube channel. So if you want to support me, show your thanks to me for the work I'm doing here on this channel, go and check out my new channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere, and you will learn a song from A to Z. Like for this song, for instance, I would play this from the beginning till the very end with all the verses and all that, chords shown on the screen, easy way. So yeah, let's go and check out that YouTube channel, subscribe there, and now let's focus on the song. So Bobbie and Susie starts with a couple chords here up on this around 5th fret. So we're gonna start with the first D. It's the D version of chord, and what you're gonna hold here is open D string, then 7th G, 7th B, and 5th E. That's the D used in the verse play. Next chord is the D7 sus2, and it's a very simple grip. You're gonna play open D, then 5th G, 5th B, and 5th E. And logically, you just place a bar there on the 5th fret for all these 3 strings, the E, B, and G string, and play the open D. That's the D7. Then we have this. That is basically a G chord, but with this D in the bass. So you're gonna play open D, then 7th G, 8th B, and 7th E. So there you have the chords for the verse play. And then we're gonna go into the chorus play and learn 3 more new chords. That's first the D, the standard D. And it goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A minor next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G. And that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. So there we have all the chords. Now the verse play, the chord portion there will be D first, the D7, then the GD, and back to D. So it both starts and ends on D. Okay, so that's chord portion of 4 chords, even if it's just 3 different chords. D, D7, GD, and D. Okay, that's the round there. Now we need to learn how to handle, and we have a 2-part strumming. So the first part for the first D goes like this. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, down. I like to play the first down on the bass strings. Bass string like D or so, and then I play the rest kind of where I want on the higher strings, mid area or so. It's not a full size chord when it comes to all strings. It's just 4 strings here included in all of these chords, so the spectra is not too big, but you can still separate the bass string from the higher string. All right, so down, down, up, down, down. Okay, that's the first strumming part, and then you go into the next chord and learn the second one, and you can go to this D7 and play this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, and then down, down, and then up, down, down, and then finally down, up, down. So it's a little bit longer. It goes down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So and again, the first down here, and this is the second string part, I like to play on the bass string, pretty much to mark out the new chord. So, and and then the rest it's up to you. Okay, so that is both part 1 and part 2. Then you apply the same principle on the next 2 chords. So that means you're gonna go up to this G/D chord and play in the same way as you play the D. Down, down, up, down, down. So, and then you're gonna fall back to the D again and play now. This time you're gonna play part 2. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. That will make 1 round. So slowly it goes like this. And the last down, up on that D chord, you can replace that with kind of a transition melody. He plays that sometimes, and it goes, I believe, easiest way is to stay in this position. I think he plays it up here, but the same note you're going to find right above here on the E string, the high bass E string. The bass, the low E string, that's the bass string, right? So it goes like that, 3 notes. That replaces the down, up, down. So it goes 5th fret on E string, 7th on E, and 5th on A. And then you start again on that D. So the last D, the last D chord, you're gonna play like this. And then you go back again to that D and start all over again. So 1 round with that transition slowly goes like this. So on. All right, so really a beautiful verse play there from Jesse. That is how you do it when it comes to verse. Now into the chords, you're gonna go up to this position, play the chords D, A minor, G, and D. So again, you play D and you finish up with D, and that is 1 round. Now a completely different strumming pattern, and you're gonna play the same for all these chords. So if you grab the first chord D, you're gonna play like this. This is a very basic strumming pattern. You're going to play down, down, up, down, up. So first one down, down, then down, up, down, up. 1 of these per chord, D, A minor, G, D, like this. And there you have the chorus play, and that's it, guys. Bobbie and Susie, what a couple, and parents don't like that. Still a great song. Thank you, Jesse Wells, for delivering songs like this. And thank you all guys who's watching this tutorial. And again, if you like this, of course, you can like with a thumb up here on this channel, but I really suggest or would love you to subscribe to my new channel, Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Thank you so much for your support, guys. Till next time, play tuned.